Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
I wanna make up right now, see you whining, grinding, all on the floor like that.
General Secretary jongka North Eastern Hill University Students Union usamla Tony Ho Kharsati hakakat santrik unai Weng arjap sao ulaong baka union kan ompat Pynkut setiai ke Jingshah Thngan Katba Ministry of Education ke Sarkar Padang kampat Weng ya Professor PS Shukla nak Shuki Vice Chancellor habakren ha ke Jingelang Padang Buram ya Professor N Saha kumu Vice Chancellor in charge Bashipor usamla Tony Ho Kharsati ulakan tho ya ka Jingshim Shuti haduk hatsan sngi jong Professor PS Shukla da ka bayat lan ya karai jong ka Ministry of Education ka Sarkar Padang ban Shushim Shuti hi dalade klam da perkhat shu ya ka kenrum kenram ki belajar hapok skul ba Nehu.
Right now, as you must be seeing that most of the students leaders, most of the students who were actively engaged in this peaceful hunger strike protest, you might be seeing that most of them they are not present. Reason being, most of them they have been admitted to hospital, and at the same time the president of the Nehusu, Mr. Sandy Sotun, his condition is still not stable. He is still under critical care unit and he'll be taking some more days, but I have got a message from him to you all. He is saying that despite of all this illness, he will not back down. He'll be joining as soon as he gain health, as soon as his health becomes stable, he'll be joining us. And he also has requested you all to continue supporting us because we understand this fight is getting longer as the VC has now even rejected or has now even abrogated the decision of the ministry whereby he himself has bypassed the direction that is being given by the ministry. He has taken leave by himself and not even thinking about the crisis that is happening in our university. So from the student union side, we would like to tell you all that the days that are going to come, they are going to be much harder. We would really appreciate you all, and we all know that we are a community. We have started with together as one voice, and we hope that this voice won't be shuttered away by this incompetent VC taking this kind of leaves. From our side, we will be continuing until and unless we see a clear-cut notification, a clear-cut direction from the government whereby they will clearly state that they have removed this vice chancellor from our university.